Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm really glad to be back with you. So today, as you read from the title, I'm going to be doing some Pikachu makeup for you. I've been online and I've checked out a bunch of other people's Pikachu makeup, and some of it's really good, and then some of it is super duper creepy. So, hopefully mine's gonna be one of the good ones. Or at least if we're gonna get creepy, like, get cool creepy, but we'll only know when I'm done this. How do you like the new studio? So this took me a while to set up, but we got it, and we're good now. But anyways, I'm gonna start with some, yellow.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna finish doing the rest of my shoulder area, and I'll be right back. That's definitely a look. Let's start contouring. This is all trial and error, by the way. I'm gonna try using that. We'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. Okay. Oh god, that doesn't look too bad on camera. I contour in some weird places. So I gotta make my nose look smaller, so we're just gonna smash that in there. Funny thing is, I'm working on a time limit, because I'm supposed to go to the gym when my boyfriend gets off work and meet him there. As if I'm Pikachu showing up to a gym, that'd be pretty funny. How do you think he'd react to that? Okay, so next, let's do some highlighting. Highlighting is always the fun part. Like, people are like, yeah, contouring, alright. But highlighting, they're like, highlighting! Alright, I'm gonna stop now. So I have like the perfect Pikachu highlight. I bought this thing, we'll just say a long time ago. I'm not even gonna tell you how many years, because that's just gonna make me look really old. Bella Pierre. I don't even know if they're still going, but the pigments are awesome. As per usual, we'll see how this goes. Oh, here we go. Oh, now we're shining. A little bit on there. Pikachu collarbones. Pikachu collarbones going on. Maybe some Pikachu shoulders. I'm just getting into this. Let's do the eyes. I'll save the cheeks. I got something in store for you. It's kind of neat. So I'm gonna go with a smoky eye. Like, it feels so weird priming with my skin color on my not skin color. I'm gonna be the prettiest Pikachu in the bowl. This is so weird. It's like I'm putting my skin back over top of my other skin. Okay, I'm gonna prime the other eye and I'll be right back. I'll take some black eyeshadow. I'm gonna try to keep it like more rounded. They're circles. He has circle eyes. So I'm gonna have circle eyes, but they're gonna be smoked out, which I hope turns out cool. I'm already feeling electric. So I'm gonna scoop up some yellow shadow that matches my skin and just blend it out. I like to put this like against my face, like a little color chart. I'm like, alright, which one matches up? I stupid proof stuff for myself. Because then you don't do stupid. So we're gonna like that one. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna finish smoking this eye. I'm gonna do this side, like this side, and then finish smoking them out. We're getting creepy! I don't want to just like be super boring and just do like black shadow. So I want to take some red and like smoke like the outside of the eyes red too. We'll see how that goes. I think it's funny that I say that I don't want it to look creepy. However, the creepier that it goes, the more I love it. So maybe I should just accept that. Alright, I think our Pikachu needs some fierce brow. So I'm just gonna use some mascara to start out with, and we'll take it from there. Fierce. So I'm gonna slap some of his stripes on. Gonna mix the black and the brown together. Pretend like I know what I'm doing. Round 2. Kinda liking round 2 better. Stick with that. Looks like armor. Maybe we should add another one. We'll see if that works. Hopes and dreams. So I have this thing, it's called stupid proof, because a lot of times I end up being a little bit absent-minded. So I gotta make things so easy that I can't mess them up. I gotta do the circles now, just to make sure they're the same size. I'm gonna make myself a little stamp with the top of my makeup container with my red paint. Paint the top of it. You could use anything that circle. Now we've got something to work with. Boop. And they're even. Or at least even enough. Wow, this is really starting to... Maybe I didn't quite place those nice in a good... Maybe I should put those lower. We're gonna have to work with this now. A+. Before we forget, let's do our Pikachu nose. I don't know how I feel about this. This nose thing. You just ain't right. I'm trying something. Don't judge me. I like how every single one of my makeup videos is just me having a panic attack all over the internet. Alright, I like that. At least in the viewfinder, I like it. Alright, I like that better. See, we just got better together. Now for the fun part of every look, let's throw some lips on. Gotta go with red, we're gonna keep it really friendly creepy. Yes, that's the one. We're on the road to success. I'm overdrawing the bottom lip into the corner, because when I shut my mouth, which is very rare, it makes it look happier. So if we're gonna be creepy, we're gonna be happy creepy. And the top lip, I just kind of tucking it in here. I hate doing the upper lash line. Hit the like button if every time you try to do the upper lash line, you also like stab yourself in the eye. Like, enjoy this. If you like watching pain, keep watching. Because that's what's going to happen in like 3 seconds. Life is hard. Okay, we lived. Hey, if you think I'm a big weirdo and you're judging me, just know you're still watching. Thank you, by the way. I was about to put my lashes and everything on, then I fell into my glitter. I can't not put glitter on. I got a problem. How do you own so much glitter and not use it on a daily. You know what? If you love something in life, do it. Life is too short, because we're here to have some fun. So crit. Oh, ah! What do you do? It's everywhere! There goes half my glitter. Okay, now the other half's going on my face. Oh, that's what's up. Yes. Alright, now I'm gonna put on my wig, my lashes, and my contacts. Boom! Alright, so here's the finished look. I don't know if I love it or hate it, to be honest. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you guys so much for watching again. If you like this video, subscribe. If you have a look that you would like to see, let me know. Comments below. That's what those are for. Subscribe and hit the little bell. Hit that little bell so you get notifications when I put out content and stuff. Okay, bye! My nose is like gone. It's kind of trippy. Like I look like the Pikachu.